Okay, so now that I have it ready, let's go ahead and run this. I have it under, I'm inside module 3. So I'm gonna do Python 3, JSON producer simple, schema file, and then I'm gonna pass my schemas folder. And okay. String serializer got an expected keyword argument value. So I'm calling it here. Oh, I missed something here. Parentheses. Let's see. Let's run it again. Okay, cool. So successful load schema from this, we're able to produce 3 records to the topic demo JSON. It's created automatically since you don't have it. We made a post request to Schema Registry, and it was okay. We delivered all of the records, key 1, key 2, key 3, and the corresponding offset, and we flushed everything to the buffer. So let's come back in our UI. You see that the demo JSON topic already came in. The messages were produced correctly. User 1, user 2, user 3. You see that? And here on the left, if you click on Schema Registry, you're gonna see that we do have a new subject named demo JSON value created, which is of type JSON. Version 2, because I'm running tests before that, and I had the version 1, and it also has the backward compatibility. You can set the level here globally, but you can do it with code as well. So if we click here, you'll be able to see that we have exactly our schema that I have set, and also the ID that was assigned to it. So when the producer and the consumer are sending messages or retrieving messages, it will fetch and make sure the messages are matching with the schema registry, what's inserted in here. Okay, so we've seen how to do it, have a producer to send data using registering a schema into the schema registry. Now we're going to see how to consume it from the consumer side